good, YouTube? So today we're just gonna do a quick unboxing video, and it is an upgrade for the Jeep Gladiator. I got sent this stereo system. I call it a Tesla style screen just because of how big it is compared to your stock. So it is 12.1 inches, T-style radio. It's made by Linkswell. It's an Android style stereo, but it does have Apple CarPlay, and according to this it goes from 2018 and up Jeep Wranglers, and on the Jeep Gladiators it's 2020 and up. But on the 2024 Jeeps, I believe the stereo changed to the long version. So I don't know if it's 2024 or 2025 if it'll fit, but for sure your 2020 up to 2023 it'll fit. And that one I do know. Let's see. So this one, from looking them up, they do have a few different types. This one is your Gen 5S. I saw a lot of videos on the Gen 5 and also a lot of products of the Gen 5. And I believe they have a newer one out. So let's get this open. And I do live in Arizona, so that's why I'm doing the video inside the house. I probably received this a week ago, but it's been so hot out here. We're in the middle of the summer, or barely even starting. It's like 100 degrees every day. So let's see. Comes with a few instructions, warranty card. Let's see what this box has. Probably all the wire connections. Yep. A few removal tools. Is that what I'm seeing? Or is it? Oh no, it's an antenna. So you got your wires here, quite a few of them. And they all have labels to radio, aux outlet. So this should be all plug and play style. It's meant for the Jeep Gladiator, so we won't be having to do any wire splicing that I know of, but of course we'll find out when we get this installed. A few brackets, and then I imagine it's for the screen to keep it fingerprint, to clean it. So that's that. Now let's get this out of there. It's pretty well packaged. This is a lot of protection, but it is a bigger screen, so you kind of want all that protection. There we go. Not bad. It's not crazy heavy. It is a different style of radio than what I'm used to seeing. Usually you see like the big blocks, but nowadays there's no more CDs. For those of us that grew up with CD players, it's all wireless. This looks really good. So it does come with the position. I'm gonna unwrap this just to show you guys, and I'll try and put it back on to protect it. So on this video, my plan is to do this unboxing and then show you guys how to remove the stock stereo. So my Jeep Gladiator, I haven't done any upgrades on the stereo part. So I have the stock stereo on there, so I'll be able to show you guys how to remove it. be able to place it back on there just to protect the screen. And the screen does have another screen protector on there. I see the little thing here where I can remove it. This actually looks like your original plastics on a car. It's like that. It has like that matte black finish on the plastic. And then let me pick this up for you guys. Has your knobs here, your tune knob for the radio station, your volume knob. It looks like your controls for the AC. If you're used to them, they're down at the bottom. Now they're gonna be here on the side. AC button up here on the top. Your hazards. It's really nice setup. So all the connections go down here. Pretty nice, pretty nice. I like it. It's gonna look really, really nice on the Jeep. Hopefully it's an easy install, and you guys will see the install video as well. For now, I just wanted to do the unboxing, and then we'll get moving with the removal of the stock stereo. Hopefully that is pretty easy as well. I haven't messed with the stereo on it. Even on my last Jeep, I had the stock stereo forever. I do like the fact that it's gonna be a bigger dash. I don't know if you've seen the new Gladiators. The screen is lengthwise now, and it's about this size. So I wish my Gladiator came with that stereo, but it didn't. So luckily we got this upgrade, and we'll see how it goes. And I will probably it'll be a 3 series video. So the unboxing, the install, and then after I use it for a little bit and I feel comfortable showing you guys how it's used, I'll do a follow-up video to show you guys all the good functions it has. Because from the looks of it, it has way more functions than what your stock stereo could ever have. Here's a few key features. It does say it's a 12.1 HD Android tablet. It does even give you the information like your 4 gigabyte 64 gigabyte processor. It's running Android 9.0 Oreo, built-in DPS. It has your Sirius XM camera retention. Mine only has a rear camera, and I can say from my other truck, the rear camera on the Jeep is really good. The video quality it puts out, it's really good. I think it's like a HD, that's why it's so good. So that would be nice that we can keep it. I did plan on putting a front one, but if that doesn't happen, I do believe I want to do a dash camera. So in the future, I'll add a dash camera, and I think everyone should by now should have a dash camera. So it has 3 camera inputs: your front, your rear, and your right. So the right side for your blind spot. So exactly how it looks here, it's how it looks there. But yeah, I'll be showing you guys how to remove your stock stereo. Hopefully that's an easy process as well. I don't know, but we'll find out together. Alright, so this is the part where I'll show you how to remove this whole piece for the stereo installation. We're gonna start by removing this plastic bezel here that controls your start and your AC components, and then we'll remove this base, and then we should be able just to unscrew the stereo to come out. So I got a flathead. I kind of put some tape on there just to prevent any scratching. It just has some clips that hold this in place. Once you pop it open, you just follow along, and there we have it. These are the clips back here. This is what it looks like. I am gonna disconnect the wires here, and 2 wires, and we get this whole assembly off. And to continue, I see 2 screws here. They're size 7 or Phillips screwdriver. if you are using power tools, be sure to use them with caution because it is plastic all around here. Two screws. Now we should be able to pop this little piece off. So this one, the two screws, and then your plastic clips. So for the stereo, 1, 2, 3, 4, same thing, size 7. They're not that tight, so no power tools are really needed. You could do this by hand. And there we have all 4. This unit should just pop off, and it did. We're gonna disconnect everything that's back here. Go. That was kind of complicated. This is the screen. I don't have the smallest. I have the in between. There is one bigger than this one. Decent size, but this is the same removal for all of them. So these are the plugs I removed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plugs that came off. And this is how you remove the OEM stereo on a Jeep Gladiator or Jeep Wrangler. Depending on what model is what depends on the years this is the same for. Alright, well now we'll prep and get ready for our stereo install. As always, thanks for watching.